Seedance 2.5 just made $1 million infomercial. And if you still think this is a joke, check this out.
For centuries, he has been collecting. He is in your dryer, and he will never stop. Sock Lock, the magnetic clip that bonds your pair for life. Washer-proof, dryer-proof, wizard-proof. Sock Lock!
Yeah, that commercial was weird as f***, but why does it even matter? Well, the Harmon brothers charge $500,000 to make commercials like this. Remember this commercial? This crazy-ass commercial?
This is where your ice cream comes from. The creamy poop of a mystic unicorn. They're good at pooping. But you know who sucks at pooping? You do.
Well, that commercial did millions and millions of dollars. It broke the website. It went viral overnight. And this commercial as well.
What's in your hand? Back at me. I have it. It's an oyster with 2 tickets to that thing you love. Look again. The tickets are now diamond. I'm on a horse.
Poopery, that crazy business, up 13,000%. 13,000%. Why is that? Well, in 2026, people have the attention span of a goldfish. 6 seconds to be exact. Nobody gives a f*** about boring commercials. People in suits sitting in some office in a back alley in San Francisco don't know how to market. That's why most commercials people skip. They're boring. The people who make money right now in 2026 and beyond know how to get attention. Attention is the new currency. And if your commercials are not weird, if they don't grab attention immediately, you're losing. 100% of the time, you're losing. The weird sock lock wizard commercial I made in the beginning of this video cost me $10 and I made it in 60 seconds. I'm going to show you my workflow, exactly how to make these weird, fantastic commercials. And I'm also going to show you how to create your own business around this and profit from these type of commercials today. We're making these videos with Seedance 2.5 inside of Higgsfield. Click on the link in the description below to follow along. All we're doing here is choosing one type of business. It doesn't have to be hard, guys. There's hundreds of different businesses in your specific town or city. And for this specific demo, we're going to choose dentists. But before we create the video, we're going to need a fantastic prompt and we're going to get some ideas from Claude or ChatGPT. We're inside of Claude and we're going to ask it for 5 powerful ideas that are super weird and super attention grabbing for our dentist's infomercial and commercial. So here we go. Okay, I like this this is actually pretty cool. I like this Tooth Bachelor one. It's kind of weird and it's kind of like people recognize the Bachelor shows. So we're gonna say this. Hey Claude, I like number 1. I need you to give me a 30-second prompt for Seedance 2.5 inside of Higgsfield. And I need you to make it scene by scene. And essentially what Claude is doing, he's cutting it scene by scene. First 5 seconds, next 5 seconds, next 6 seconds, so on and so forth. This is the correct way to prompt Seedance. So if you don't know how to prompt, guys, just come into Claude or ChatGPT and ask them. They are super, super helpful when it comes to this. So we're gonna copy this. We're coming into Higgsfield. We're making sure the video model is set to Seedance 2.5, 30 seconds, 16:9, and we're gonna bump it up to 1080p. We're gonna paste the prompt right here, and then we're gonna click generate. It's absolutely crazy what's possible now in 2026, especially with programs like Higgsfield and Seedance 2.5. I literally made this Bachelor dentist commercial in less than 60 seconds. Now, if you don't like this specific commercial, you can always go back into Claude, ask it for different ideas, different prompts. I mean, you can even enter a picture of the dentists themselves inside their own commercial. Here's why we do that. So I already have the prompt in here. Now, this prompt is for a tooth walking through an alley and like he gets beat up by candy bars and gummy bears. Let's go ahead and add this dentist picture right here. This is a dentist that we're working with and everything's set. We're going to click generate. Dude, now look at this commercial. This commercial is what every dentist office commercials look like in the United States. In the Western world, it's boring, it's plain, it's vanilla. Give me something memorable. Give me something exciting. Something that when my tooth hurts, it makes me remember the tooth walking through the alley getting beat up by the gummy bear and the chocolate bar. That is how you build a brand. That's how you stay relevant. That's how you become the hottest dentist office in the entire city. That's how you get the entire population in your specific area talking about your business, staying relevant, staying colorful inside of a sea of boring corporate commercials and advertisements that nobody wants to watch. That is how you book your business out 20 months. This is 2026, and this is the type of commercial that businesses should have. This business model has already been proven to work over and over again. The only difference now is that instead of spending $500,000 to make a commercial, you spend $10 and 60 seconds of your time and sell it to as many businesses as you want. Here's the step-by-step breakdown. 3 steps. Step number 1, the Higgsfield link is in the description below. Sign up to that. Step number 2, pick one business. That's all you need, guys. One business. Cafes, tech startups, a retail, gyms, salon, dentists, lawyers, any business, but pick one and stick to it. Step number 3, make a video on Higgsfield and send it to 50 businesses. It can be DMs, it can be email, it can be direct mail. You can walk into the business. Any way that you can reach the business, reach out to them, send them a message, say, hey, I made a commercial for you guys. Would you like to see it? And if they bite, make them a brand new commercial. Put the owner's face in the commercial. This is super simple. Do not make it harder than it has to be, guys. Step number 1, Higgsfield, link in the description below. Step number 2, pick a business, stick to the business. Step number 3, make a single video and send it to 50 dentists, 50 gyms, 50 salons, 50 doctor's office. But just send them, guys. You have to put in the work. This is not get rich. This will never be get rich quick. If you're tired of your 9-to-5 job, guys, this could be it. This could be your out. This could be the answer. I don't know, and you'll never know unless you try. And listen, if you like the way I teach, if you like the ideas that I give you, I send these types of ideas to my newsletter on a weekly basis. It's called AI Income Weekly. It's completely free. It's already read by thousands of people who are ahead of 99% of the world when it comes to making money with AI. Scan the QR code on the screen or click on the link in the description right now to join completely for free. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. We'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye for now.